Given that our particular mission is to form ethical leaders throughout Central America, today I'm very happy and honored to have Miss Melissa Martinez, the current Public Affairs Officer at the U.S. Embassy, to this ceremony.
In Martin Luther King Jr.'s words, the function of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. You have gone a step further and have epitomized excellence. You have persevered. In your journey, remember to stay true to your value sets, and congratulations to all of you.
Raise your right hand and repeat after me. On my honor, I will not lie, cheat, or steal. I will encourage others not to lie, cheat, or steal. And I will not be party to others lying, cheating, or stealing. So help me God.